some stuff, some command line. Let's do this. We're gonna, some commands you might want to know are the system control. Okay, but suppose you don't know what system control is, or even how to use it. So, what you do is you say man, system control, and boom, now you got some pages that are gonna tell you how to use it. Like, okay, now another one that you should know is journal control. Okay, same thing. Man, journal control. There you go. And this will teach you about journal control. So what if I do man, it tells you how to use the man files. It's the system's manual pager, and it's pretty cool. You can read it for yourself. And it gives you these flags over here. We'll try one. Let's say man. Okay. Let's say man. Okay. Gives us the usage. Man, option, section, page. What's an option? What if we say man? Okay. So we would need, say, I don't know if this is gonna work. There you go. So that's how you can do it. Just play with it. If you say man h, okay, you get all this stuff. Here, let's try that real quick. Let's say man, and it also gives us another way to do it. Get the same thing. Alright, what else do you want to know? We got man files, we got system control, we got journal control. How about add user? Wow, look at that. What about if we say, yeah, it's a shell language. That's cool. So we could do something like, we could say top 50. Okay, I'll just go here. Ah, there they are right there. So, list, what if we do that? Man, list, awesome. Man, pwd, present working directory, awesome. Okay, what else is on our list? Change directory, make directory. What? Okay. Well, okay. Now you know how to use the help files in Linux. Have a great day.